Reviewing technical documents with Redline annotations, and the file uses an RML extension. This markup format tracks changes and comments in engineering documentation. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and here's how to view and work with these Redline markup files. I highly recommend this quick preparation step. Keep a universal file viewing program installed. It's a lifesaver for bypassing minor RML corruption, and I'll detail the best one shortly. RML files are Redline Markup Language files used for annotating and marking up technical documents, engineering drawings and business records with revision comments, change tracking, and visual annotations. They store markup layers that overlay original documents, preserving the base content while displaying review commentary. RML files are Redline Markup Language files used for annotating and marking up technical documents, engineering drawings and business records, with revision comments, change tracking, and visual annotations. They store markup layers that overlay original documents, preserving the base content while displaying review commentary. The optimal viewer for the RML format is generally considered to be Autodesk Design Review from Autodesk, Inc. The file's proprietary wrapper demands a specific decryption tool, not generic software. Windows may show the file type, but the actual data must be opened in the supporting software. The initial action is crucial. Right-click your RML file and select Open With. Use Autodesk Design Review. If it's installed, it's the best candidate. If not, cycle through the remaining options until one works. If you cannot access the RML file, no problem. The source is most likely one of 3 common issues. Let's review this simple breakdown of the culprits and how to quickly check them. First, open in Document Viewer. Open the RML file in a compatible document markup viewer or the application that generated it, such as Evolve Project Dossier Bluebeam Review or another Redline-capable document review platform. The viewer displays the base document with all markup annotations overlaid in their correct positions. Next, review markup annotations. Navigate through the document examining each Redline annotation, call out, and comment. Most markup viewers provide an annotation list panel showing all markups with author dates and status. Filter by markup type author or status to focus on specific review comments during the document revision process. Finally, export annotated document. Export the marked up document to PDF with annotations flattened into the output using the print or export function. This produces a static document showing all Redline markups for distribution to stakeholders who may not have the native RML viewer installed on their systems. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.